Ready to unlock the power of teamwork and skyrocket your productivity? Let's dive into how you can harness Clockify to supercharge your team's time management. First, you will need to set up projects. Within Clockify, head over to the Project tab here. You can create new projects, define hourly rates, and add specific tasks for each project. Next, it's time to bring your team on board in the Team section. Invite your colleagues and assign them roles. Once your team is in Clockify, you can assign them to specific projects and tasks, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Now, let's get tracking. Instruct your team to log their time accurately against assigned projects and tasks. Clockify's user-friendly interface makes it simple to start and stop timers, ensuring accurate time records. The real magic happens with reporting. Clockify's robust reporting features allow you to gain valuable insights into your team's time allocation, generate summary reports to see the total time spent on each project, or dive into detailed reports for granular insights into individual team member performance. Share these reports with your team to keep everyone informed and accountable. Clockify allows you to export reports in various formats, like PDF, or share them directly via email. Finally, regularly review your team's workflows based on the insights from Clockify reports. Identify areas for improvement and optimize your team's processes.